Welcome to my initial outreach to lawyers and law students around the world who might be interested in participating in a global lawyering project in furtherance of certain class action lawsuits that I'm presently undertaking. So my name's Christopher Neufeld, the Neufeld Legal in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. And what we are looking to do at this point is to gauge the interest in developing a consortium of lawyers and law students who might be interested in participating in a global lawyering project that builds upon the numerous class action lawsuits that we are presently pursuing in Canada, focusing upon violations of statutory and common law violations of the various provincial employment standards legislation and existing court precedent. The severity of these legal violations is quite extensive in our professional estimation, and based upon the current evidence, appears to be exceedingly common with Canadian employers, due in large part from the apparent over-reliance upon American payroll software and payroll computation methodologies. Nevertheless, as with every prospective legal action, there is no absolute certainty as to success of a particular lawsuit. Even though after nearly 2 years of legal research and factual investigation, we believe that these are exceedingly solid legal cases and capable of withstanding the legal challenges of major corporate employers. However, given how significant the financial ramifications are to these particular corporate employers, they will invariably be spending enormous sums of money to defend their actions, or more likely initiate motions and other tactics in an effort to derail, limit, and delay the legal process. To counter these actions by these corporate employer defendants, we wish to first gauge if there is genuine interest from international lawyers and law students to form a global consortium to participate in the time-intense aspects of advancing these class action lawsuits and replying to the motions and other tactical maneuvers that seek to derail, limit, and delay the legal process, while attempting to address what we believe has been the severe underpayment of Canadian employees for literally decades. At this stage, we are primarily looking to see if there is adequate interest amongst international English-speaking lawyers and law students to pursue developing such a legal consortium. Given that there are no assurances that can be provided at this point in time, and we must fully work out the specifics of any arrangement, given that these class action lawsuits are run on the basis of contingency fees that require a successful result and the approval of the court for their payment. If, however, you are comfortable with gaining international legal experience that can be beneficial to advancing your professional career and possibly receiving some financial remuneration when these class action lawsuits are favorably resolved for the impacted Canadian employees and those terms are approved by the presiding court justice, we would definitely welcome your communicating with ourselves to express your interest and ascertain how you might be able to effectively contribute. We are not looking to make any promises or provide anyone with employment, but believe there is a potential to gain invaluable experience for your legal career, as well as a range of other potential benefits that are possible from this collaborative endeavor to challenge major Canadian employers, many of which are multinational corporations, that have massive financial resources and will be presenting major legal challenges that demands smart legal minds and the tireless efforts of capable and interested lawyers and law students the world over. We look forward to hearing from you via email and taking the next steps in this major global lawyering effort. Thank you.